Looking for the best pepper mill for your kitchen? In this video, we've picked the 5 best pepper mills on Amazon to help you find the perfect one. You'll find links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started with number 1. Number 1, we have the ThermoMaven Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. If you want to make cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable, this rechargeable grinder set is an excellent addition to your kitchen. With just the press of a button, it automatically grinds salt, pepper, and other spices, making meal preparation effortless. Its large 110 milliliter capacity means fewer refills, while the rechargeable battery eliminates the need for disposable batteries. The adjustable coarseness setting lets you choose everything from a fine grind for delicate dishes to a coarse grind for steaks, salads, and grilled vegetables. The built-in LED light helps you season your food with greater accuracy, even in low-light conditions. And the durable stainless steel design gives the grinders a modern look that fits beautifully in any kitchen or on the dining table. Whether you're preparing everyday meals or hosting family and friends, this grinder set delivers fresh, consistent seasoning with every use. Combining convenience, style, and reliable performance, it's a smart choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking experience. Number 2, we have the Circle Joy Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Looking for a faster and more convenient way to season your meals? This gravity-operated grinder set makes cooking effortless. Simply tilt the grinder and it starts grinding automatically. No buttons or twisting required. It's a hands-free design that's especially useful when you're busy preparing food. The adjustable coarseness setting lets you choose the perfect grind for every recipe, from fine seasoning to coarse pepper for steaks and grilled dishes. A built-in LED light automatically turns on while grinding, helping you season your food with greater precision, even in dim lighting. Its transparent container makes it easy to see when it's time for a refill, while the modern stainless steel and black finish adds a sleek, stylish look to any kitchen or dining table. Powered by batteries, it's ready to use wherever you need it without worrying about charging. Whether you're cooking every day or entertaining guests, this grinder set combines convenience, accuracy, and elegant design to make every meal even more enjoyable. Number 3, we have the Zadelar Rechargeable Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. If you're looking for a premium grinder set that combines convenience, performance, and modern design, the Zadelar Rechargeable Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set is an excellent choice. Designed for everyday cooking, it makes seasoning your favorite dishes quicker and more effortless than traditional manual grinders. Powered by a rechargeable battery, these grinders come with a convenient USB-C charging base, so both units can charge at the same time. That means no disposable batteries, less waste, and your grinders are always ready whenever you need them. With one-touch operation, grinding fresh salt or pepper is as simple as pressing a button. The adjustable coarseness setting allows you to customize your seasoning, whether you prefer a fine grind for soups and sauces or a coarse texture for steaks, grilled vegetables, and salads. The transparent viewing window lets you easily check the remaining spices, making refills quick and hassle-free. Its durable stainless steel construction gives the grinders a sleek, modern appearance that looks great in any kitchen or on your dining table. The included charging base also keeps both grinders neatly organized, reducing countertop clutter while ensuring they're always fully charged and within easy reach. It's a practical feature that adds convenience to your daily cooking routine. Whether you're preparing a quick family dinner or serving guests on a special occasion, this grinder set delivers consistent performance, stylish design, and effortless operation. It's a smart kitchen upgrade for anyone who enjoys fresh, perfectly ground seasoning with every meal. Number 4, we have the HexClad HexMill Pepper Grinder. If you're looking for a premium manual pepper grinder that delivers precision and long-lasting performance, the HexClad HexMill is an outstanding choice. Built with a durable aluminum body and a sleek matte black finish, it combines modern style with exceptional functionality. One of its standout features is the 10 adjustable grind settings, giving you complete control over your seasoning. Whether you need an ultra-fine grind for delicate sauces or a coarse texture for steaks, burgers, and roasted vegetables, this grinder easily adapts to your cooking style. Its high-quality grinding mechanism is designed to produce smooth, consistent results with every turn, helping release the rich aroma and natural flavor of freshly ground pepper. The refillable design also makes it easy to add fresh peppercorns whenever needed, making it a practical choice for everyday use. The ergonomic shape provides a comfortable grip, while the sturdy construction is built to withstand years of regular cooking. Its minimalist design also looks elegant on any kitchen counter or dining table, making it as stylish as it is functional. Whether you're an experienced home chef or simply enjoy adding freshly ground pepper to your meals, the HexClad HexMill offers outstanding precision, durability, and premium quality. It's a reliable kitchen tool that brings both performance and sophistication to every dish. Number 5, we have the IFONPY Rechargeable Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. If you want a grinder set packed with smart features, the IFONPY Rechargeable Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set is an excellent choice. It features a clear digital display that makes it easy to monitor and adjust your grinding settings with precision. The rechargeable design eliminates the need for disposable batteries, while the large refillable containers reduce the number of refills, making it perfect for everyday cooking. With adjustable coarseness settings, you can easily switch from a fine grind for soups and sauces to a coarse grind for steaks, vegetables, and salads. Its one-button operation and built-in LED light makes seasoning quick, accurate, and effortless, even in low-light conditions. Combining modern technology, stylish design, and reliable performance, this grinder set is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. And that's our top 5 best pepper mills on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing product recommendations. You can find all the product links in the description below. Thanks for watching.